After having explained that the Lord cannot be understood by any mortal means, Valmiki ji now also says how he can be understood. Soi janai jehi dehu janai. If God bestows that ability on any soul, any fortunate soul who becomes the recipient of divine grace, by the mercy of the Lord, is able to comprehend the Lord, see Him, touch Him, reach Him, realize Him, and attain Him. How? By grace. Tasya no rasva tasya no dhehi. The Yajurveda states, without being anointed by the nectar of the grace of the Lord's lotus feet, nobody should ever hope of realizing Him. So, when God graces us, He will bestow His divine intellect upon the soul. What does that mean? Our intellect is material. God will add His divine energy to it. It is called Shuddha Sattva. Not the material Sattva Gun, the Sattva of Yoga Maya, Shuddha Sattva. So you can say that when we receive that divine intellect, equipped with it, we will now be able to know the Lord. It's finally crystal clear. Jagat Guru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj explains that so nicely. Samujha samujha so sham ko samujha saka nahi koi radhe radhe. By their own intellect, nobody had the capacity to know Sham Sundar. Samujh milahi jab Sham ki, samujh sake vas soy radhe radhe. And if some soul was the recipient of Sham Sundar's intellect, now that fortunate recipient came to know God. So he says in the next verse, how will you be so blessed as to receive God's power? Kripaluji Maharaj explains, Sham samajh se sham ko samajh saka nahi koi radhe radhe. Sham samajh se sham ko samajh sake sab koi radhe radhe. Sham samajh tab milai jab samajh samarpit hoy radhe radhe. Now the whole thing is clarified. When we surrender our intellect, we let go of this pride. My Lord, it's not in my capacity, but I wish to know you. This surrender, when it happens, God then graces the soul. It works the same way. These eyes, when they get equipped with divine vision bestowed by God, they are able to see the Lord. Whether it is the wonderful form of Sri Ram or Sri Krishna or the all-pervading presence of the Lord, it all becomes visible to them through grace. And Valmiki ji has said something very beautiful. Soi janai jehi dehu janai जानत तुम ही हुए जाई. That soul who attains Ram becomes Ramamay. The saint who reaches God becomes God-like. Brahmavit Brahmaiva Bhavati. As long as we were not God realized, we were under Maya. So the effects of Maya, Agyan, etc. are there. But the moment that contact is made, Mam Ekam Sharanam Vraja. It's like there is 240 volts power in an electric cable. You touch it, it comes into you as well. We would hear from our previous generation that, first time when electricity came, in villages, etc. in India, people were not used to it. So one caught that naked wire and said, I'm going to die, help. The other said, I'll help you. He came and he also got stuck. Everybody started getting stuck because the same voltage came in anybody who touched the line. So, Bhakti Bhakta Bhagavant Guru Chatura Naam Vapu Ek. Janat tum hi veh jai.